and welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we are going to understand how you can automatically add your 99 acres leads to your Kit account as a new subscriber. So here on the screen, you can see a simple two-step integration that I've created to integrate these applications using this amazing automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access Pabbly Connect, what you need to do is that you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So now here before moving forward, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly Community today. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button and then here's asking us to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says set 99 acres leads to Kit automatically. And then for the folder, I'm going to click on this drop down menu and here you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select it as per your requirement. I'm now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. You need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here and it will take you to a folder window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So as you all know that I am receiving new leads through 99 acres. So we're going to select that trigger as 99 acres and our app event as new leads. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here you can see we have received a webhook URL. That means here we're going to use this webhook URL to connect our 99 acres account with Pabbly Connect. So basically here after receiving the 99 acres, you can easily create your leads as a new subscriber for your email campaigns, and by setting up this automation, you can easily convert your leads to your paying customers. And here you can see we have received a webhook URL. That means here we're going to use this URL to connect a 99 acres account with Pabbly Connect. So it says to automate lead capture, copy the above webhook URL and configure it to your 99 acres account. Reach out to your account manager from 99 acres. Your integration will be activated by the 99 acres team within a week's time. Once they activate the subscription, you will start receiving the lead information in your webhook response below. So what you need to do is that you need to copy the URL and you need to send it to your backend team of your 99 acres account in order to set up a webhook inside your acres account. Once they are going to set up the account, then automatically you are going to receive all the lead details in your Pabbly's workflow. And for now, I'm going to copy the URL and I'm going to send it to my backend team in order to receive some dummy lead details over here. So let's wait for some seconds. And here you can see we have successfully received response over here, where we have received the last name, first name, email and the contact number of our lead. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead, then automatically I want to create this lead as a new subscriber in my Kit account so that I can add them to my email campaign. So for that, what we are going to do is that we are going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Kit. Then for the app event, we are going to select add subscriber to a form, and then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Kit account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking for the API key and the API secret. So following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Kit account, and from here I'm going to click on my profile icon, and from here we're going to select settings. Now here under the settings, we are going to scroll it a little down, and then we are going to access this developer section from the left side bar. Now here under this API keys, you can see this is the API key and this is the API secret. So now I'm going to copy the both and add in my Pabbly's workflow. Alright, so I've successfully added the details, and now I'm going to click on the save button. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking us to select the form. So here I've already created a single form, so I'm going to select that from the drop down. You can select it as per your requirement. Then here it is asking us to add the first name, email and some other details. So now here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new lead through 99acres, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the first name, I have mapped the first name. Here I'm going to map my lead's email address. Here these tags are not required ones, so we're going to leave it blank. For the last name, we are going to map the last name. And lastly, here I'm going to map my lead's phone number. And these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. Now after entering all the required details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new subscriber in our Kit account. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to move back to the subscribers. And here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber with the name latest. Here you can see the email address and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as 99acres and action as Kit, so that when you're going to receive a new real estate leads through 99acres, then immediately a new subscriber for the same will be created in our Kit account. And then further, you can add that subscriber to your email campaign list to send the email campaign to your leads, and you can easily convert your leads to your paying customers. Alright, so these were the steps to how to send 99acres leads to Kit automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.